2025. Crazy. There's 3 more weeks of July. It's scary how fast time is going. Today's gonna be a busy day. Our neighbors that we always get together with every summer are coming by today. We're gonna have a barbecue. We're gonna have lunch, swim all day, have a barbecue, play yard games, and then probably end the night by the fire again with some s'mores and sparklers. We're gonna try to get together a couple times this summer with everyone. I have chicken legs I'm gonna cook. Then we have some side salads, a veggie tray, I mean everything. I bought a melon. So it'll be nice, you know, to all get together today. Yeah, other than that, I mean, I'm gonna get footage today. It's probably gonna be another 2-day vlog. I'll get some footage of the parade tomorrow because I'll be on the float doing music. And I'm probably gonna get asked for next year. I mean, I had people asking me like crazy to do their floats next year. I'm like, okay, I'll try, you know. But yeah, so it's a busy month. It's crazy. I mean, it's been super busy. And it's going super fast. I'm ready for the weeks to slow down. But yeah, so that is today. Hopefully we can all get together and have a good time today. It's hot and humid already. So I'm just kind of keeping the shed closed a little bit to see if it'll help. I'm leaving the back door open. So there's always a cool breeze that comes through there, but it's 75 in here right now. It's comfortable. I mean, it's not like you can't handle it. With the fan blowing, it's nice and cool. So all the food will be out in here, and then we'll eat, I guess, wherever. But I cleaned it up in here a little bit. And it's going to be a busy day today. But I'm okay with that. It is going on 11 o'clock now, so my uncle's supposed to call me today about the details for tomorrow. So we'll see what happens, I guess. But yeah, so I gotta get cleaning and I gotta get some work done before everybody comes here. We're planning on about 12:30. But we'll see what happens. So I will get back to y'all later. That is okay.
I forgot the broccoli salad. I will come back for that. You know what?
Yep. Good Saturday morning, y'all. It is Saturday, July 12th, 2025. This morning it's raining. And that sucks so bad. Because the parade starts 2-ish hours. They say the rain's supposed to be done by the time the parade starts, so it might just be a little bit of a wet one. So annoying. Like it was a beautiful day yesterday, and then today, and then tomorrow's supposed to be nice. It's like, why couldn't the weather flip? But whatever, it is what it is, I guess. I mean, but it's supposed to clear out by 11, so that's probably when I'm going to go down and set up. It takes me like 2 seconds. Well, I'll park there and see what happens, but I'm sure we'll be fine. Last year it was hotter than hell. Now this year it's rainy as hell. But it looks like it's going to clear out in time, so. But yesterday we had a nice barbecue. I mean, I got maybe a millisecond of clips of yesterday. I got more pictures than videos. I wasn't going to talk to the camera. I had too much going on, and so I just said that I'm going to stay. So, but yeah, so that is what's happening today. It is cooler. Okay, so I will let you guys go and I will check in at the parade. Good afternoon, all. It is a little bit after 1. There was no parade today. Well, there was, but I wasn't going on it with my equipment because it was still raining, unfortunately. If they would have listened and waited for half an hour later, it would have been like this, sunny. Though we do have storms coming in. Really bad weather this afternoon, about 2:30, 3 o'clock. It's not going to be good. I didn't even eat breakfast this morning. I'm having a drop in blood sugar. I can feel it. So I grabbed a cookie to eat. So yeah, I didn't get to go to the parade this year. It was weird. First time in I can't remember I missed the parade. But yeah, I was kind of bummed that the parade got destroyed, but that's okay. Next year, and hopefully I can get on a float next year. If not, I'm going to do my own for my company. Well, not company, just to advertise, since I don't really have much advertising. If I can get people together to be on the float with me, that would be even better, but we'll plan it as it gets closer. But I'm going to sign off now, eat some lunch, and then I don't know what the day is going to bring. So I'll see y'all later. Hi everyone, welcome back. So it is going on 3 now. It cleared up a little bit. So I'm going to try to get for a quick little walk. We're supposed to get another storm. About 3:45. What a shitty day. Everything just went to hell. Because it always has to rain. Every single day. Oh well. What can you do, I guess, hey? That's okay. I'm just disappointed. I mean, God, yesterday was a good day. And so was Wednesday a good day. Kind of. It still sucks. Because I really wanted to play on the float. That gave me business for my side gig. But I'm thinking of putting a float in next year's parade. I'll see if Aaron can drive a truck or somebody and just do a float of my own. 1 second here. Okay, welcome back. Oh, I'm trying to see if the sugar plums are out, but they don't look ready yet. I should have taken my watch with me. That was stupid again. on my part. Oh well. Oh yeah, the sugar plums are coming. Oh wow, yeah. They really are. Look at that. Huh, me and my mom are gonna have to come back here and get some. Wow. Yeah, look at the sugar plums. There's tons of them. I'm gonna have to get my mom to come with me and pick some. There's bushes over here too. Yep, right here. Nice sugar plums. Oh, look how round they are. Yeah. We'll have to come back here tomorrow. I didn't bring anything with me today, so to put them in. Oh yeah, we have a lot. Well, they really grew good this year. I think this is as far as I'm gonna go. It looks like the clouds are rolling in for the next round. The fireworks are still up in the air tonight. And half of me just doesn't even want to go because I don't want to be get bit up. As you now know, with this rain and humidity, which you can feel the air, like I can feel the air right now, like I'm wearing it. It feels like, I feel like the bugs are going to be horrible tonight, especially by that lake. I mean, there's a little bit of trees around and woods, but they're still really bad over the water. But yeah, you can see the storms coming in. Around whatever. I'm so tired of rain. It's supposed to be really hot. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday it's supposed to storm. I'm like, ick. It's supposed to storm Wednesday, Thursday. Friday I think it's supposed to be decent. Saturday is supposed to be a partly cloudy day and decent. And then Sunday rain again. Oh, yuck. Oh well, hey. I'm really tired this evening. All I'm taking with me tonight is my chair and my blanket if I decide to go. I'll have to load up on bug spray galore. That's okay. I am really tired. I didn't sleep much last night. It's just been crazy these last couple of days. But, oh well, hey. It's hot and I can feel me not doing too well. I should have never came for a walk. Oops. It's very humid. Very humid, like close. The warm front must have come through. And now the cold front's gonna come through. It's supposed to be 84 tomorrow, or 83 tomorrow, 84 Monday and Tuesday. And then the cool comes through. Wednesday it's supposed to be stormy and in the 60s. And then Tuesday they're calling for storms too though now, so who the hell knows? It's always changing. Just like we were supposed to get this monster storm this afternoon. And it's been nothing but. Oh well. So, I'm gonna get this vlog together here. I'll show some of the fireworks tonight. If I go, I don't know. I mean, you've seen them once, you've seen them all, so. But, we'll see. I had to put my earphones in. If I do. It bothers my ears. Well, you know, I at least wanted a good storm out of this day, but that didn't happen. Of course. Okay, well, I'll get back to y'all later. Good evening, y'all. It is going on 5 o'clock. It's starting to rain again. Y'all can see it's just like an icky day today. I don't know. A funk all day. Just not feeling good. Just not even not feeling good. It's just I feel weird, like I'm out of place. I don't know. I feel like I'm out of my body, if that makes any sense. I'm having one of those moments again. And usually when I get that feeling, a panic attack's in my future. I feel like I'm distancing myself. Or there's a name for it now, I can't think of it. Disassociating myself. I don't know. I don't know what to have for supper. I just don't. I should maybe run to the pizza parlor and get something. Because I'm sure by the time I get there tonight, they're going to run out of everything. But we'll see, I suppose. I don't really have the ambition to go down there and do it. That's the problem. It's just a weird day. Today, we're sitting on the back porch wrapped up in a blanket. The smoke rolled in. So it is really smoky out here. It's disgusting. I instantly got a headache. And I have all my windows in the house open, unfortunately, so now it's just gonna be like a smokestack. But it's so hot in there, and I just want to air it out. I don't like being closed up. Ugh. I don't know. I just don't feel good. So what I'm thinking of doing is just, I don't know. I am thinking of going to the fireworks tonight, and then I don't want to. Then I don't feel like it, and then I want to. I missed out on the parade today because it was raining. I just didn't want to sit out in the rain. I don't care if I am a Youper or not. I ain't standing in the damn rain for a parade. Well, I was supposed to be in it. I was supposed to play music for it today, but nope, that wasn't happening. I wasn't gonna put my equipment at risk. I wish they would do the electrical in here already so I could move the shed around, you know? I don't know. We'll see what happens, I guess. Just kind of want to do something different. At this time yesterday, we were getting ready to eat. It was such a fun day yesterday. Now it's going to be quiet for the next week. Very quiet. Oh well. I know I gotta have Erin and that come here for dinner. Like, they need to come here so we could cook those steaks. I should talk to her today, actually. Or maybe tomorrow. I'll try to remember. Oh, yep. The cousins are here. So I'm gonna try to figure something out. We'll see what happens, I guess. But it's just a icky day. and I hate it. So I think we'll go to the firework. I don't know what I want to do tonight. That's just it. I don't know. We'll figure it out, I suppose. But I will catch up with you all later. Look at the sun, guys. We have so much smoke and haze in the air. The sun is just like a big ball. It almost looks like the moon. Creepy, hey? You can literally see the smoke in the air. It's so hazy. It looks like I don't even know what.